Cursor versus Windsurf versus Cline versus Copilot versus VSCode. So in this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which one is better. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare them with their features and supported languages. Let's start with Cursor. Cursor is AI first, built on top of VS Code with deep AI integration for code completion, debugging, and refactoring, while Windsurf focuses on web development, offering built-in deployment pipelines and browser-based editing, while Cline is a lighter AI coding assistant which is perfect for smaller tasks or integrating into existing editors. And Copilot works directly inside various editors, mainly for AI autocompletion and inline code suggestions. Lastly, VS Code is fully featured, highly customizable editor with thousands of extensions and language support. Next is their AI capabilities. Cursor has a deep contextual AI understanding, which is great for large code base refactoring, while Windsurf AI guided project setup and rapid prototyping, while Cline is lightweight AI that focuses on efficiency and quick commands, while Copilot's AI is excellent code suggestion engine, but it's less focused on full project management, and VS Code has no built-in AI unless you add extensions like Copilot or ChatGPT integrations. Next is their customization and extensions. VS Code leads with an extensive marketplace in this category, while Cursor inherits this, but it adds its own AI commands, while Windsurf is more optionated and less extensible, and Cline is minimalistic but supports API hooks. And lastly, Copilot relies on your chosen editor's flexibility. Number 4 is their collaboration and team use. VS Code and Cursor offers live share for real-time editing, while Windsurf has integrated cloud sharing, while Cline is more on solo focused, and Copilot enhances collaboration only indirectly through better code quality. So for final verdict, if you want maximum flexibility and free access, VS Code is still for you. If AI is central to your workflow, you can go for Cursor. And for Windsurf, it's great for rapid web app deployment, and Cline is best for minimalist, while Copilot is an excellent add-on for any existing workflow. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.